So guys, I found another free platform that is paying now. It is really paying. I've seen some people withdraw from this platform, and I know that you like to benefit from this same platform you get. So watch till the very end to know how you can register on this platform and start earning massively. So if it is the first time of coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe, like my video, comment and post and put on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be first to know. And to my old subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for liking, commenting and sharing my post. So let's go back into the video right away. So this platform is a free platform, and it's also a paid platform. So you can choose to upgrade, you cannot choose to upgrade, because me, I did not upgrade. I'm using the free version of it. So if you want to register on this platform, click the link on the comment section or description box area. It will bring you here. Once it brings you here, all you have to do is to click on this site and input your country code. So I'll look for Nigeria because I'm in Nigeria. Okay. Let's go back again. Nigeria. It's not from just put your number as far as you have already inputted that Nigeria you get. So add your name, add your password, confirm your password. Then you click register. You understand? Once you click that register, it will let me log into my own. So it will bring you here. Just click this confirm. So in case you want to upgrade, this is where to recharge. You understand? This is your wallet. This is your lucky draw. This is where your fund is gonna be. This is where you will see your assignment, the announcement. And if you want to know about them, you go here and know more about them. You understand? So now, once you log in, all you have to do, it will bring you here. So they have different plans if you want to upgrade. You understand? So now this one is free version. You can only perform 5 tasks a day. This one is VIP 1, which is you can perform 8 tasks, and this one is VIP 15. VIP 2, you can only perform 15 tasks. So basically, this website is all about performing tasks, liking videos, and on YouTube and on TikTok. On TikTok. So if you want to perform your tax, all you have to make sure you're on this home. Yeah, make sure you are there. So you will see this YouTube and TikTok. You can click on any of them. Then okay, click on any of them. Let's make use of this one. There is nothing on TikTok, so let's make use of YouTube. So I'll click this. Sorry, YouTube. So I'll click do tasks. It will bring this here. Then I'll click accept. Once I click the accept, please read through this thing here. You understand? So the operation process, they say if you open the tax link, watch the video for more than 10 seconds, then like the video and take a screenshot of it to the platform for submission. So now, all we have to do is to open the link. Then like it. I'll like the video. I'll make sure it passes up to 10 seconds. Or better still, if you don't want to waste your data, you just do it like this and screenshot. Once it's screenshot, you go back to that place. Click this upload screenshot, upload it. Click the screenshot that you took. It will upload now. And you click submit. I've submitted it now. But know that every tax you do is $3 and you are limited to do only 5 tax a day. So that 5 tax is $15. You get. So that $15 And the minimum withdrawal is $200. Yeah, that's the minimum withdrawal. If you cannot refer people, then you do your tax daily. Just within 2 weeks, you can withdraw from this platform. And also, once you register, make sure you come here. Make sure you come here, click that set, then verify your real name authentication here. Click on it. You put your ID name, your ID number, the photo, this thing, and the rest. Then you click submit. Once you submit, they'll verify and do this thing, verify you. And also, the withdrawal method here is USDT. Make sure you have wallet, either Trust Wallet, Bybit, Binance. I have a training about Bybit, how to register on that Bybit. So check my channel for it. Then um there are two ways to earn on this platform. You understand? One is doing tax, number two is referring people. Once you refer people, they will give you one this thing to able to they will give you one lucky this thing to be able to to do this lottery. You understand? So anyone you invite is one increase. Anyone you invite is one increase. You can see it's basically the simplest way to earn on this platform. You understand? So that's just it about this app. It's free. As far as it's free, so you can give it a try. You can give it a shot. It is paying. I've seen someone that it has paid. So why not try it? As well, because it will not remove anything from you. It's just free. You get. So that's basically all about this app. Then see you on my next video.